Have you ever wondered why 0 factorial equals 1? It seems counterintuitive at first, like multiplying nothing should give 0 or something undefined. But in math, this definition isn't arbitrary. It's elegant and necessary for consistency. Let me explain step by step why 0 factorial equals 1 using simple logic and examples. First, recall what factorial means. For any positive integer n factorial is the product of all positive integers from 1 up to n. So 5 factorial equals 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 120. But what about 0 factorial? There are no numbers to multiply. It's an empty product. In mathematics, the empty product is defined as 1, just like the empty sum is 0. This keeps things consistent. Think of it as the multiplicative identity. Starting with 1 and multiplying by nothing leaves it at 1. Here's a practical way to see it. We know the recursive formula. N factorial equals n times n minus 1 factorial. For n equals 1, 1 factorial equals 1 times 0 factorial. And since 1 factorial is obviously 1, that means 0 factorial must be 1 to make the equation hold. If 0 factorial were anything else, the whole chain of factorials would break down. Another angle comes from combinations in probability. The binomial coefficient for choosing k items from n is n factorial divided by k factorial times n minus k factorial. When k equals 0, you're choosing nothing from n items, and there's exactly one way to do that. Do nothing. So Cn0 equals 1, which simplifies to n factorial divided by 0 factorial times n factorial equals 1. Again, this only works if 0 factorial equals 1. For a real-world analogy, imagine arranging objects. The number of ways to arrange n distinct objects is n factorial. For 3 books, it's 6 ways. For 2, it's 2. For 1, it's 1. Now for 0 objects, there's exactly one way, the empty arrangement, no other possibilities. So 0 factorial equals 1 fits perfectly. Finally, this extends to advanced math like the gamma function, which generalizes factorials to real numbers. Gamma 1 equals 0 factorial equals 1, confirming the pattern. In summary, defining 0 factorial as 1 makes mathematics cleaner, more consistent, and avoids unnecessary exceptions. It's not a trick, it's beautiful design. Next time you encounter factorials, remember, even nothing has a productive value in math.